this is Running Water Farmer, and I just wanted to do a little quick intro video. A little bit about myself. Just bought a farm a few months back. It's 16 acres, and the purpose of these videos is to document the progression of the farm and all the work that's going to go on over the next coming year, from planting in the spring through harvest in the fall, and some land improvement projects as well. So I hope you enjoy all the videos from the next coming year. Let's take a look at some of my equipment. I have a 35 horsepower diesel tractor with 4-wheel drive. This is our 4-stall barn complete with tack room. The barn has an attached workshop where I do all of my restoration work. It's set up for welding, grinding, and other shenanigans. This is the 2-bottom plow I've been restoring. I've got 1 bottom completed and 1 more to go. This is my International Harvester 2-row planter. I plan on using it to plant a couple acres of corn this spring, and then I'll restore it over the summer. I also have a number of implements for general maintenance. There's a whole lot of scenery and not a whole lot of anything else. So behind me is one of the fields that we plan on planting corn in the spring. However, one of the challenges is that the soil is poorly drained, so we may need to install tile drainage. And we have about a 1-acre pond that releases down through a series of pipes into a stream that runs across our property. As you can see, our dam has started to wash away around the drainage pipes. As soon as the soil thaws, we will reinforce the area with gravel and concrete and fill it back in. There's a high spot across the pond where we're going to put a few fruit trees. Our primary goal in running this farm is to be as self-sufficient as possible. As part of that plan, we've decided to start keeping bees. This is the first hive that Mrs. Running Water Farm built around Christmas time. We're going to have a total of 2 hives for our first year, and so we've ordered some nukes from down in Texas. These are our 4 hens. They give us about 2 or 3 eggs a day on average in the winter. Of course, we couldn't forget Mrs. Running Water Farm and Running Water Farm Dog. And Running Water Baby.